Good day to everyone. We are students season June 2020 from DKM 5A. Today we would like to do a case study presentation about fire tube and water tube boiler. We begin our presentation with introduction. Boiler. A boiler is a closed vessel which fuel is heated up to high pressure steam. The boilers are used in power plant for producing steam. The steam produced are mostly used in steam turbine or power plant for the generation of electricity. Boiler can be divided to two types. One is fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. Example of boiler. It lists out example fire tube boiler and example water tube boiler. Working principle of fire tube boiler. Fire tube boiler is a dose boiler in which the fire or hot gas is present inside the tube and water surrounds this fire tube. Same fire is inside the tube and hence it is named as fire tube boiler. Fire tube boiler is start working from the fire furnace. The fuel are combined in the furnace. After combustion, hot gas produced in the furnace. The hot gas flows through the fire tube. The heat from the hot gas is conducted through the wall of the tube to the water. Water surrounding fire tube is heated up and converted into steam. This is a diagram of fire tube boiler. From the diagram, we can see reduced combustion from the furnace and hot gas flow through the fire tube. Water surrounding the fire tube is heated up at a high temperature and converted into steam.
Now let's have a look at water tube boiler. The working principle of water tube boiler. Water tube boiler is a boiler in which the water is present inside the tubes and fire or hot gases surround these water tubes. Since water is inside the tubes, hence it is called water tube boiler. The working principle of water tube boiler is barely same with fire tube boiler. Water tube boiler starts working from the fire furnace. The fuels are combusted in the furnace. After combustion, a hot gas is produced in the furnace. The fire and hot gases flows around inside the furnace. The heat from the hot gases is conducted through the walls of the tube to the water. Water in the water tube is heated and converted into steam. This is the diagram of a water tube boiler. As you can see, there is the furnace. And then there is the water pipes, where water enters in the furnace through the water pipes and steam flows out from the furnace through the water pipes. You can also see there is the smokestack in the furnace that is being released out as hot gases from the furnace. In summary and conclusion, it is known that fire tube boiler involves less risk of explosion due to its low pressure up to 20 bar. But it is not suitable for large power plant because it has a low rate of steam production. Whereas water tube boiler involves more risk of explosion due to its high pressure up to 100 bar. But then it is suitable for large power plant because it has a higher rate of steam production. Therefore, our own requirement whether boiler is to be used for large power plant or small power plant has to be considered first before choosing the boiler.